Welcome to another quick workflow. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to fix vector images using the brush tool. Let's dive in. To fix the left side of the skull, I will use the brush tool along with a color picker from a Chrome extension, since Recraft currently lacks this feature. The main goal is to find the right color to correct all the issues in the image by carefully painting over the damaged areas with the sampled color. The link for the Chrome extension can be found in the description below. Once you're done, just select all and use the shortcut to merge objects. Then, all you need to do is vectorize it again. And that's it! I hope you enjoy this tutorial. See you in the next one.